Hi, I'm Greg Brown.
I'm David Ivey, and this is Dynamic Discussions.
This is the 5th installment in a video series that we're bringing you, addressing your questions and concerns about fall protection and safety. Kaylee Lang from our marketing department is here with this week's question.
The question for today is, how often should fall protection equipment be inspected?
Your personal fall arrest system should be inspected daily before each use and at least annually by a competent person.
Depending on your environment, it may be necessary to have your competent person inspect it more than once a year if you are in very cold or very hot and dry climates or any other kind of climate that would warrant that.
It's very important that if you were to fail this inspection, you want to remove the products from service immediately.